Hello everyone, this is case number 1249. This is a lesson laptop. The model is S510U. So basically, as always, we fix the hinge from the customer just right at the corner of the screen. So we usually fix it without changing the new case. Just use the old case and fix it to make it usable and affordable. So if you have the same issue, your laptop got broken or somehow you don't want to spend a lot of money, so feel free to contact us at Smart IT Service at any branch. See you. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.